Hi first grade, it's me again. So today I kind of wanted to review really quickly like quantities of tens and ones. So what I mean by that is sometimes you're gonna see things like if you have the number, if you have something like 2 tens and 3 ones, like how much is that, right? If you have 2 tens and 3 ones, so that's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So that equals 23, right? Easy peasy, okay? Now sometimes when you compare, like when we use those symbols like greater than, less than, equal to, they're gonna kind of try to trick you sometimes. So sometimes they might say like 3 tens and maybe 2 tens, let's say, just kidding. Do that. 3 tens, and then on here it says 23. Okay, now don't let this confuse you by just seeing the number 3 and then you see 23 over here, because you have to read those words along with it. 3 tens, well 3 tens is 10, 20, 30 is 3 tens, so that really is 30 compared to 23. So if I'm using my symbols greater than, less than, or equal to, if we read it, well, which one is the alligator going to eat? The alligator wants the 30 because it's the higher number, it's the larger number. So that alligator is going to chomp the 30, okay? But I just don't want it to confuse you when you see that 3 tens, you like only look at the number. Because if I only look at the number 3 and 23, well then the 23 is bigger. But as soon as you put tens behind it, it becomes 30, okay? So that can sometimes kind of trick you, so you need to make sure that we understand that. Now we also have something like 2 tens, 3 ones, and then on the other side we have 32. On the other side we have 32. So again, 2 tens and 3 ones, I mean, even if we did a quick drawing, like 2 tens and 3 ones, we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So really, that looks like 23 compared to 32. So now, the alligator would be eating which number? The larger number, which is going to be 32. So we need to make sure the alligator is eating the larger number. Okay? Awesome. So what Miss White's going to do right now is I'm going to put a couple on here, and then you can just again kind of do this and pause the video after you are looking at these, okay? So here we go. Here's our first one. So we have 4 tens compared to 39. We have 29, and then 2 tens, 7 ones. Okay, and then we have 29 compared to 3 tens, 9 ones. And then for my challenge friends, we have, let's see, and then you can see all of those. All right, so I want you guys to try those out, and yeah, and let me know how you do. See ya.